Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert HEIC images to JPG on your Mac. So right here I have an image in the HEIC format. To convert this to a JPG, just right-click on the image, then go down to Quick Actions. From here, you'll see an option called Convert Image. A new window pops up. In the format line, go ahead and select JPG. For the image size, you can just leave it as actual size. And if you want to keep all the metadata info, just leave that setting checked. Then simply hit Convert. And boom, you instantly have a JPG image created right there. Now for the second method, you can right-click on the image, choose Open With, and select Preview. Next, go up to the File menu and choose Export. Pick a folder to save your image. Then, in the Format line, make sure you select JPG. You can even adjust the image quality slider right here, and it'll show you the estimated file size before you export. Once you're ready, hit Save. And just like that, the exported JPG file will appear on your desktop. Finally, method number 3. If you need to convert an image directly from the Photos app, here's a cool trick. You can just drag the photo from the app and drop it right onto your desktop. It automatically converts to JPG for you. Or you can select the photo, go to File, choose Export, and then export one photo, just like we did with the Preview app earlier. So that's it. I've shared a few simple ways to convert your HEIC files to the JPG format, which is way more compatible with other operating systems. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.